In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or import a calendar to Outlook 365. We'll start with Outlook on the web, which is the recommended approach moving forward because it works consistently for both personal and work or school accounts, and then I'll show you how to do the same in the classic desktop app. First, open a browser. Sign in to Outlook on the web through Outlook.com or your organization's Microsoft 365 portal. And switch to Calendar by selecting the calendar icon. On the left side, click Add Calendar. Here, you'll choose how you want to bring in your calendar. If you have a file, select Upload from File. Browse to your ICs or VCS file, choose the calendar you want to import into, and confirm. An ICs or VCS import adds the events that are in the file right now. It's a one-time import, so changes made later at the source won't sync. If you are unsure where to put those events, pick a separate calendar so you can easily keep them distinct. If you want ongoing updates, choose Subscribe from Web. Paste the calendar's ICL link, such as a secret address from another service. And then import or save. Subscribing keeps your Outlook calendar in sync automatically. Timing of updates can vary by provider. And the subscribed calendar will usually be read only, which helps prevent accidental edits. If you'd like to see calendars from another personal account, pick Add Personal Calendars to connect a secondary Gmail or personal Outlook account. You'll sign in and grant permissions, and those calendars will appear in your list so you can toggle them on or off without manual imports. Now let's look at Outlook Desktop, the classic version. To import a file, go to File, then Open and Export. And choose Import File Export. Select Import an iCalendar, ICs or vCalendar file. VCS, click Next, browse to your file, and then decide whether to open as new or import. Open as new creates a separate calendar, which is great for keeping things organized or previewing content. Import adds the events into your existing calendar, like the web import. This is a one-time action and won't pull future changes. To add a calendar by URL in the desktop app, on the Home tab choose Add or Open Calendar. Then from Internet, paste the calendar link. Select OK and confirm the subscription. So Outlook keeps it updated automatically. The subscribed calendar will appear separately, and you can rename it, change its color, or hide it as needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.